Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you an Metabo DW125 quick compressed air angle grinder. So we can see the cardboard box and I would like to unboxing these new tools. So what type of tools is it? It is for professional people and it's professional power tool solutions. It has ergonomic coat insulting and light housing made from impact proof plastic. It has Metabo Vibratech side handle for vibration damping to protect the user health, and it is quick for changing disc by means of quick locking nut. 2 free adjustable guards, twist proof and can be secured in 8 positions. Its user-friendly exhaust guide road to handle avoids dust turbulence in the working area. It has soundproof feed air outlet for reduced noise operation, and its safety level prevents unintentional starts. So we can see what is inside and what package include. So open the box and we can see the tools. Okay, here is the for the connection of the vacuum, and of course tools. It's very good quality. We have here a picture of the warning. Here's button for the spin the lock. Rotation in this sides. Okay, and what is here? We have here a handle. Okay. Key. We want to change, and also connector for vacuum, and empty bottle for the oil, but without oil. What is it isn't so good. I thought that it will be together with oil, but it is just without oil. Here is a cover and also some papers about and instructions about this special and tools for professionals. So I return all back, and in the next video I will show you how to work with this special tool. And also don't forget for the subscribing of this video and for your comment, like or dislike. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.